Creating templates in Word. What is a template? You might be thinking of words to describe templates such as blueprint, a starting point with existing data, and I've even heard in classes people say a cookie cutter of sorts. In Word, we can create a template at any time. All we simply have to do is save the file as a template. Let's start from scratch. I'm going to create a whole new blank file, Control N. Then I could type in something like dear. I can put in a placeholder if I want, but let's just keep this simple. This is a test template. Sincerely, and your name. When I go to File, I can go to Save As, or I can just choose Save because I've never saved this file before and it will come up with Save As. But let's click on Save As. So we're in Save As. Now what we're going to do is change the file type. Instead of Word document, I'm going to pick Word template. And when I come up with Word template, we're going to decide where we're going to place this file. We can keep it as the file folder here that it's coming up with, or we can browse and find another location if we want. Let's keep it as this file folder. The name of the file is going to be called Sample Template. Template files, by the way, in Word have the extension DOT, that's for template X. And Word document files have DOCX as their extension. Once I've saved my file, you can see that the name of the file is called Sample Template. Maybe you're wondering how you can actually view the extension here. So I'm going to give you a tip or trick so that you can view file extensions so you'll always know if you're in a template file or if you're in a document file. You'll actually need to be outside of Word to do this. When I click on Start, My Computer, then I go to Tools, Folder Options, View, and under Advanced Settings, when I click on the check mark here for Hide Extensions for Known File Types, when I click on it, it will turn it off. When I select OK, once I've closed Word and I open up the template again, you can see how now I've got my file extension in view. Let's now use this template to create a new file. So I'm going to close it. Keyboard shortcut for close is Control W. Then when I go to File, let's choose New, and I'm going to choose New from Existing. Here we've got a list of the files in this folder that I had saved the template to. You can note that the sample template file is different in its icon, and the icon has a little yellow bar as its title bar that's different than the rest of the icons for documents. You can also of course see that the extension is DOTX. I'm going to click on it and create a new file using it, and when I do that you can see this is the second copy of this document that I am now using. I've never saved this file before, and once I save this file I can call it whatever file name as a Word document. Once again I go to File and I choose New, go to New from Existing, and choose whatever template I want, and in this case it's this one here, and when I double click I get into a whole new copy of this template. That's a brand new file. There are other templates that come with Word. We just created one template, but Word houses so many other templates that come with its package. Let's go to File, New, and this time we can browse under Office.com templates if we like. We can click on Agendas, and actually I double clicked, and that we double click again on Agenda and it will download a file for us. Once we're here we can see we're in a whole new document, and it's copy number 4 of a whole new document. So it's not the 4th time we've used this template, it's the 4th time we've created a new file in this session of Word. Don't worry about it saying compatibility mode. Some of the templates that are from Office.com are from previous versions, and once we save this file we can save it as a Word document as a docx, and I'll just say sample agenda here. Pardon me. And when I save, it will come up with, you're about to save your document to a new file format. Let's choose OK. It comes up with the name of the file. No longer does it come up with compatibility mode. So feel free, folks, to constantly go to File, New, and see what we've got here under office.com. And then you can go along and pick any one of these templates to be the jumpstart for a whole new file.